Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I was getting ready to get back into the week, and I really thought this was a good topic. Control what you can control. So you're gonna have good days, you're gonna have bad days. So I was going through some notes, and it reminded me of some of these feelings. You're gonna feel overwhelmed. You're going to feel like it's just not quite going right, and that's okay. So go back to what you can control. What are you trying to accomplish? Why are you trying to accomplish it? And if you can't, when people say ignore all that. Man, sounds great. That's near impossible to do. So, let me say it a different way. Focus more on a task at hand that you can control. And you literally run out of time and energy to focus on the things that you can't control. And those are the things that I have found that have worked over time. And also, let's talk about layering or prioritizing. Other people like to use the term, oh, well, you just need to learn how to multitask. That sounds good. And then if you can't do it, you feel like a failure. Well, it's actually literally impossible to do more than one task at a time. So let me give you a different variation on this. Prioritizing. You're going to have a lot of things that you need to get done. So place them in order of importance. And if you do that, then you get a sense of multitasking while accomplishing one task at a time and removing the largest obstacles first. And then you become this snowball that no one can stop you. So I thought, with this being a Monday, I thought this would be a great topic to get you motivated into what you want to do, to get me motivated into what I got to do and what I got ahead of me. But we're gonna be layering all of this week. So we'll be knocking out more videos with networking while I am continuing to build the course. And actually I think I'm going to take a question maybe Friday. I'm working on some scenes of how to lay out, how to record, and where to have me be, and should I have a blurred background? Should I have this white background that I keep using? I've been experimenting with a green screen. And should I be down on the bottom? So I think that's some of the technical stuff that we're doing, and we'll probably look at that on Friday and take a poll and see what you guys think. But the big takeaway is here. There's going to be good days. There's going to be bad days. And where you focus is what gets your energy. So focus on what you can control, and everything else fades away. So there we go. That's Monday. If you're starting it, awesome. If you're ending it, cool. Use it tomorrow on Tuesday. If you're getting started on your day, if you're on the other side of the globe, which I think is so cool that happens, use it today. All right. Thanks, guys, as always. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Make sure you're staying tuned until the end, checking out these videos. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.